Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that whatever?
I've been dreaming about you. Wish I knew what you were up to. Wish I can hit you up just to say I'ma set up a TV and I'd like you to be with me. We could laugh about nothing at all. I'ma set up a TV and I'd like you to be with me. We could laugh about nothing at all. Truth is, I just wanna.
I'm currently in the hospital. I didn't even plan to come to the hospital, but this has happened.
I just wanna.
So, yeah.
Truth is, I just wanna. I just wanna. I just wanna. Truth is, I just wanna.
Truth is, I've been stuck in my feelings these days. I've been up in my bedroom nowadays. Even with the sun shining so bright, I wait till stars come at night, so I could dream about you tonight. Truth is, I'm a little bit hesitant to hit you up. I get more scared as a damn grown up. This ain't a hookup, we could just burn up. I feel you so close up. I'm so sorry if I close up.
Truth is, I just wanna. I just wanna. I just wanna. Truth is, I just wanna. I just wanna.
Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. This is the first vlog of the year, I believe. I'm just about to do my self-care routine, and I just thought that I should start off a vlog for you guys. And yeah, it's night actually, but I've just been in the process of moving, and I'll update you guys on that. And I haven't really had time to do my skincare stuff and all that. I've already started, to be honest, and I thought I should show you guys. I've already had my bath. I washed my hair because I'm also trying to refresh the braids. I have switched up some of my products. My hair is still a bit wet, although I've blow dried it, but it's still a bit wet. It's gonna take a while. I just have to look for a way to place you guys somewhere. I still use the cleanser that you guys know, the Gaina micellar cleanser one, but I use this maybe when I wear makeup. Yeah, so after my makeup I use that to take out my makeup, and the rest is history. What I'm currently using now is this. I discovered this some weeks back. I think it's been about a month now, so I started using this, and it has helped my hyperpigmentation a whole lot. I bought it basically because they said it restores hyperpigmentation, so that's actually why I got it.
State of mind, still my eyes go drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop, trying to find the other side.
So this is how my cotton pad turned out. It's not that dirty because I just shaved my face. Okay, I've never told you guys this, but I actually shave my face about twice a month. Yeah, so if you want to know how I shave my face, let me know. I already did that before I decided to start out this vlog. Kojic Sand Skin Lightening Face Cream. Yeah, so this is it, and it does an amazing job. I use this basically 3 times a week, no, 4 times a week in the night. Yeah, and it restores my skin, it moisturizes my skin. In the morning when I wake up, my skin is glowing. I love it a lot. So I'm going to try and restore my braids, a bit refresh my braids. And you guys already know the products that I use. I have my soulmate cream here, and I'm going to add in the shea butter from Zico Naturals. Mix together. Just apply on my roots. I go in with the infused oil from Zico Naturals, and this oil is everything. It's the bomb. I've been using it for quite some time now. It helps my edges a lot. So I'm going to add this Human Nature serum, which is something that I recently started using just for shine. Lastly, I'm going to use this castor oil on my edges. For my body, you guys already know I use the Jergens, so this is what I use for my body, just to moisturize. So lastly, I'm going to apply this aloe vera because I'm not sleeping anytime soon. I've got some work to do, so I'm trying to make a new intro for my YouTube and just set up everything about YouTube just before I get into business and start releasing videos. Then I'm going to just wear this and sit till everything just soaks into my skin. Let's say for about 15-20 minutes. Sometimes I let it go up until 30 though. After I'm done, I'm going to go to my bedroom to use some body spray and all that, but I'm not gonna show you guys that. This is where the vlog is this part of the vlog is gonna end, I guess. Don't ask me why. I forgot to add, if you want a video on how I shave my hair, shave my face, basically, let me know.
Maybe it's too hard, maybe it's too far, but I feel it in the ether, and I feel it in the air. Drip drop, drip drop, drip drop, boo. Drip drop, drip drop, drip drop, boo. Now I'm paranoid from the noise when it goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Letting go of control, even though I wanna be locked. Love has a fee, the dead is piled up like the leaves. No guarantees, can we just enjoy the breeze? I beg of you, please.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome to a new vlog. I don't know if I told you guys this yesterday, but we're glowing. This is what happens when you have a nighttime self-care routine. When you wake up in the morning, your face is like shh. Okay, so I know you guys by this time this news is annoying, but you have to bear with me. I'm going to fix that. Today I want to try and film a life update video and also film the Q&A that you guys asked me on moving to Manila. I haven't been able to do that yet. I still have all the questions on Instagram, so I'm going to film those 2 videos today and probably one other video. You guys know that I film about 5 videos a day, but today I now have something that I do. I don't know if I think I've stated in a couple videos in the past that I have something that I do, and that also take up a lot of time. So Right now I'm just stuck with filming 3 videos. I don't know about the 3rd video what is going to be, but I'm going to figure that out. So first of all, let's go get water, which is one of the things that I like to take actually when I wake up. I like to take water and vinegar. I think I've said that before, so let's quickly mix that up.
But today, I'm still recovering from summer's blaze. I feel it in the ether, I feel it in the air, I see it in the color, faded and clear.
I still have my glass. I feel like these names are so embarrassing. Is this how I'm going to level up this year? I see everyone is doing, literally everyone on YouTube is doing a reset routine, reset 2022. Bitch, I'm not doing that, okay? I'm not going to be doing that. It's good, okay? Normally, I would clean up, my space. I would, I normally just deep clean on a regular, so there's nothing so special, What are you doing, vision board and all that? I also plan to cook today, by the way. I don't know how, but I plan to cook today. I'm not really a breakfast person. I do breakfast once in a while, and this year I plan to eat I plan to eat healthy by the grace of God. Amen. Apple cider vinegar and water is not the prettiest thing to drink.
This way, I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, I lick the scourge. Now I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, lick the scourge. You know what I've been through. It feels like there's no use, but I won't be happy too. Maybe 2020 is the year I bloom. For crying out loud, fuck you. I'ma turn a new leaf, it's true. No more time to be confused. Take a trip out to Rome and out my room. I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, I lick the scourge. Now I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, lick the scourge. Some people have to say how they want you to take the next 10 steps of your day. Yeah. Some people wanna tell you what they want you to do, but I'ma live my life. Why don't you just live yours? Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma tell you push through, push through. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma tell you push through you. I'ma tell you push through you.
Some people will never see everything that you are, building yourself up to be from the earth to the stars. And if you stand in my way, your words will mean nothing. No, you cannot hold up my.
I just want to say that I just finished recording, and everything that I filmed was not recorded. I have to do this again. So I'm going to try to record another video now. The sun is down already. Using ring lights now. I've not been using ring light for a couple months to film my videos, so now I don't even know how it's gonna play out. I don't know what it feels like for me with light again, but let's see. I like this look that it's giving, but my edges don't want to give. Of course, natural hair, nonsense. This is the setting I'm going to go for now, just to help my life. Hi guys,